Kahtoola EXOspikes. Now, I'll tell you what, these things are awesome. These are tungsten tips, so they're very hard and wear really well. That's how they go on the boot. Now, this is brand new, and this is a year old. I bought these in November of last year, and I want to show you guys the difference between the spikes. I used these all winter last year, and I got 3 pairs of these. I got 3 pairs of boots, and they all got them on. All right, so here's the new pair. Now there's the spikes right there on the new ones. Okay, that's the back. Now that's where you get most wear. And there's the used ones. Now they're about half worn with one winter. Okay, now I'm on concrete, I'm on asphalt, I'm on all kinds of stuff. There's the front, and there's the new ones in the front. So I think this older pair is going to make it through the winter. I don't know yet, but we'll see. But I love them. They stay on. They don't go anywhere. They're fairly light. They don't get like hard in the winter. Like this stays pliable.